sell your cosmetic products in the European Union but can't make your way through all the regulations? We made a series of videos to help you, and in this video we will talk about the most important and also the most demanding and time-consuming part of making your cosmetic products compliant, which is compiling the product information file. But make sure you also watch other videos in this video series to get some basic information before placing your products on the EU market. The product information file, or PIF, is required for any cosmetic product placed on the EU market. The regulation says that when a cosmetic product is placed on the market, the responsible person shall keep a product information file for it. The product information file shall be kept for a period of 10 years following the date on which the last batch of the cosmetic product was placed on the market. The PIF therefore has to be kept by the responsible person at the address indicated on the cosmetic product label, readily accessible in electronic or other format and available in a language which can be easily understood by the competent authorities of the member state where the PIF is kept. Article 11 of the Cosmetics Regulation explains that the product information file needs to contain the following information and data: a description of the cosmetic product which enables the product information file to be clearly attributed to the cosmetic product, the Cosmetic Product Safety Report, or CPSR, a description of the method of manufacturing, and a statement or a certificate showing compliance with the relevant good manufacturing practice standard, which is ISO 22716, where justified by the nature or the effect of the cosmetic product, proof of the effect claimed, data on any animal testing performed by the manufacturer, his agents or suppliers, including any animal testing performed to meet the legislative or regulatory requirements of third countries. By far the most extensive of these is the Cosmetic Product Safety Report, which is then further divided into two parts. Part A, the Cosmetic Product Safety Information, and Part B, the Cosmetic Product Safety Assessment. Cosmetic Product Safety Information consists of various specifications and tests, such as the quantitative and qualitative composition of the product, specifications of the raw materials, specifications of the finished product, stability and compatibility test, challenge test, packaging specifications, etc. Based on the information gathered in Part A, the Cosmetic Product Safety Assessment is performed. Safety assessment is not a laboratory test. It's a theoretical risk assessment where the safety assessor concludes whether the product is safe and compliant with the regulation or not. In addition to providing the conclusion of the assessment, the safety assessor also needs to include the reasoning that led to that conclusion, mention if there are any particular warnings or instructions for use that would need to appear on the label, and provide the assessor's credential and approval of Part B. The safety assessment can't be performed by just anyone. The regulation says that it should be carried out by a person in possession of a diploma or other evidence of formal qualifications awarded on completion of a university course of theoretical and practical study in pharmacy, toxicology, medicine, or a similar discipline, or a course recognized as equivalent by a member state. Let's recap what we learned in this video. We pointed out that before you place any cosmetic product on the EU market, you need to prepare a product information file, which has to be kept by the responsible person. You also learned which information and data the product information file consists of. To find out more about how to market your products in the EU, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.